सामने आते सर एक बार राइट सर वन मोर स्टेज मैं टेस्टिंग कम राइट सर रोहन सर एक मिनट सर इधर देखिए रोहन सर या थैंक यू सर या
लुक सीधा ही
You, your production house, your father had made marvelous Hindi films. How passionate are you about your Hollywood films? ऐसा कितना passionate है Hollywood films?
I think cinema का language एक ही होता है, तो that's why we enjoy cinema from all over. And I think it's fantastic to see रितेश ने अभी ऑलरेडी एक बहुत खूबसूरत फिल्म बनाई है, तो obviously हम बहुत उम्मीद रखते हैं कि ये फिल्म भी उतनी अच्छी होगी. And I think the language finally emotions का होता है जो universal होते हैं.
You all are making film from so long. तो आज के दौर में अगर फिल्म मेकिंग की बात करें तो कितना ऑर्गेनाइज हो चुका है as far as finance is concerned और marketing is concerned everything, और कितना रीच ज़्यादा हो चुका है.
100% जो टेक्नोलॉजी एंड फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन जो आए हैं बिल्कुल उन्हें इस इंडस्ट्री को ट्रांसफॉर्म किया है. एंड नॉट जस्ट द बिग स्क्रीन, अभी हर everyone's got a screen in their pocket, तो I think that is हम finally we're storytellers and that's a very exciting thing to know कि अब आप बहुत बड़ी audience को reach कर सकते हैं.
And conversation you opened school as such.
Thank you.
You will give time as a mentor as such mentor के
100%. It's एक बहुत ही I think ज़रूरी institution अभी शुरू हुई है, तो I think I'll be more than excited. Not just me. I've been talking to मेरे सारे दोस्त colleagues जो है industry में. I'm hoping they'll all come and contribute because finally हमारे ही फायदे के लिए है कि the next generation of filmmakers should be as good as they are all over the world.
And lastly, your project regarding the projects you're working on right now.
Right now I'm just working on a couple of scripts and a couple of shows for different channels. So as soon as they're ready to be announced, I can talk about them.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, just a
Directing a fantastic film. Ritesh's first film was beautiful and we all know about it, and whatever I've heard about this one, it's unbelievable cast of actors. So I think and it's a fantastic book, so I think, and with a great director, I think it's going to be very memorable, and I'm looking forward to it.
The title, the sense of an ending, what feel this gives you? What reminds you of?
Well,
the book is really, the book is...
Yeah, so it's about emotion, memory. It tells you all of those things about how we look back at things at a certain point when inevitable things come and still they're unexpected. And yeah, it's a fantastic writer, fantastic book, and looking forward to seeing the film.
Thank you.
Yeah,
thanks.
Yeah.
Camera looks up, please. Camera looks up.
Yeah.
आप खुद एक फिल्म मेकर हैं. What do you say about the films made in foreign land on Hollywood, the sense of an ending? किस तरह की फिल्म बनाई जाती है, वो कितना इंस्पायर करता है आपको?
I saw The Lunchbox and I loved that film. I'm a big fan of that film, and I'm really curious to see what Ritesh has done now, and I'm looking forward to watching it.
The kind of budget they have, the kind of technology they use. Do you think our industry can compare in the future as such? I mean, within
Our industry is doing very well. There's no problem there. It's a different industry. They have a larger audience. They have a worldwide audience. And yes, financially the West is better off than our country. So there's that difference. But that doesn't matter. That doesn't mean that we can't make good films that can be watched by everywhere in the world.
What was the inspiration to become a filmmaker for you? I mean, क्या inspired किया था? A movie or incident, something?
जी नहीं, मैं मतलब फिल्मों का फ़ैन रहा हूँ बचपन से ही, और घर में ऐसा इन्वायरमेंट था कि फिल्मों की बहुत बात होती थी, तो मैं बहुत इंस्पायर्ड था सिनेमा से और हमेशा सिनेमा में काम करना चाहता था. और मेरी खुशकिस्मती है कि मुझे मौका मिला, मैं यहाँ काम कर रहा हूँ.
And what about your projects? Are you working on any project?
जी, I'm writing right now, so hopefully we'll have something soon. Thank you very much. Bye.
क्या कर रहे हो गधा आप?
Well, the movie is based on a novel called The Sense of an Ending, written by Julian Barnes. It won the Booker Prize in 2011. So I read it when it came out, and I always loved it. And then a few years after that, after Lunchbox actually, it came to me as an offer to direct. So I was really honored to be part of it, because it's a book I love. And what it's about a man called Tony Webster, played by Jim Broadbent, who reconnects with the first love of his life, played by Charlotte Rampling, and how that unravels, it's about secrets from his past. It's about an ordinary man who finds there was stuff of great literature in his life. And that's the stories that I love to be part of. So it's a pretty amazing thing to be part of.
Do you think very out of the box when you made Lunchbox? I said it was very unique kind of a subject as such, and it had raved around the world. So what was it?
My mother asked you to say that? Sorry, your question.
Lunchbox was a very unique movie when such a subject is concerned.
Thank you.
Irfan Khan, Nawazuddin and Nimrat Kaur, they acted very well in the film. What was the inspiration to make that film as such?
To make Lunchbox?
Yeah.
अरे सर 4 साल हो गए अभी 3-4 साल हो गए तो भी याद करना पड़ेगा. No, it's a movie that I wrote. It really came from the heart. I was working on it for many years, but the city itself and all those characters, Nawaz's character, Irfan's character, Nimrat's character, they all in some way they are part of me. No, but it was a pretty amazing experience to do that, and it was pretty amazing now to go to England and make this very British movie. But yeah.
Are you nervous? There'll be a sense of responsibility. Lunchbox expedition is really high.
Well, I don't know about the responsibility, but I really had a responsibility towards the characters of this book that I love, and I really saw this book as a great character study. So of course, when you make a movie and it's going out there, I'm very curious, actually, more than nervous. I'm really curious to experience it with an audience. I haven't got a chance to do that yet, because I finished making this movie late last year in London, and then I went right away after and worked on another movie. So I'm very curious to see it with an audience. Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Film Lunchbox very much, and I'm really looking forward to seeing this. It's great that Indian filmmakers are finally making a mark in the West and getting the opportunity to express themselves. So I'm really looking forward to the movie. I hope it will be great. Thank you.
Nothing. I'm here to see The Sense of Ending.
Have you read the novel?
No, I haven't. I have it in my bookshelf, but I have not read the novel yet.
Okay, what are you expecting?
I'm expecting good things. Let's see.
How's life goes on?
It's pretty normal. Like nothing has changed as such. Like people recognize me and they come and click pictures. Other than that, it's pretty normal.
Okay, what's there in the pipeline? What's happening in professional front?
Nothing. Hopefully I'll sign something very soon, since I've missed acting a lot. तो यही कैमरा है, इसी के सामने मैं I'm performing right now. Otherwise, I really miss going on set and sitting in the vanity, getting ready, and going to the set. So let's hope I'll sign something very soon.
Is there a possibility you start working with Aamir Khan? There are also news. Zahara Wasim is already working under his. She's doing an intern, basically.
Not Zaira. Fatima and I were interning AK.
Yes.
I left the internship last month because I wanted to travel. But I had a great time. He's a great mentor. He's a great boss. I've learned a lot of things during the internship, not only about acting, but about filmmaking in a whole. So it was a very wonderful experience.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Ma'am, look center.
Hi, really good to be here.
Lunchbox replaces with a sense of an ending.
Yes.
What do you
I think it's obviously going to be special. It's a great novel. I haven't read it, but I know that it's a really incredible story. And Ritesh and I mean, we have a very, very long relationship. We've known each other for almost 3.5, 4 years now. So I can't wait to see what he has created next. So I'm really, really excited to watch the film.
How proud you feel when he's making a mark?
Very proud, very excited, and I really hope that the world is able to enjoy his next piece of work as much as the last. So yeah, I can't wait to watch
What's
it.
happening on professional film? What's the end right now?
I'm actually filming a web series right now for Alt Balaji, which is a new channel that's going to come online soon. So I'm playing an army officer in that, so that's quite exciting. It's been a lot of fun preparing for that, and we've been filming that. So yeah, I'll be going into filming more of that soon.
Something on big screen.
I can't. I cannot announce it right now, but right now this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm working on. Thank you. Bye.
इसने हटाना यार तेरे को पूरा लाइट का वो लाइट बंद करूं हाँ लाइट बंद करना यार चल मार लेते हैं हो गया अरे वाह क्या बात है थोड़ा सा अंदर